Chinese villagers in Henan province mistakenly believed the dinosaur bones they unearthed were from powerful flying dragons, incorporating them into traditional medicine for over 2 decades through soups and powdered remedies. Disregarded by paleontologists at first, the bones were ultimately recognized as belonging to an 18-meter sauropod dinosaur from the Cretaceous era. This groundbreaking discovery prompted the villagers to contribute 200 kilograms of bones for further scientific analysis, unveiling the astonishing presence of the heaviest dinosaur ever discovered in Asia. The villagers' long-standing belief in the healing properties of the dragon bones highlights the fascinating intersection of folklore and scientific exploration, while the subsequent donation of the bones showcases their willingness to contribute to the advancement of knowledge.